What's up? Alright, so this is a composite bike that came in hardtail with a 05 Sportster motor. Basically came in for smoking, white smoke. We basically disassembled the top end. Mark found basically catastrophic damage. There was debris throughout the whole motor. Ended up having to split the cases, the whole 9. Yards. Well, we ended up bumping it up to a S&S big bore kit. Got it all going, and now it's ready to roll. So this is going to be our first start. See how it goes. Let me turn the key on.